I'm going, okay, I escaped. I escaped from the dungeon from Yoshi. Now, I'm going on a adventure and see where it leads to.
I love these Star Launcher rides, bro.
What the heck?
Whee!
Whoa, what the heck? Wait, Peach, why are you here? Hi, I'm just holding one of my old friends. How did you get him? I don't know. What? What the heck? Okay, who the heck was that? I can't even see him. He's practically going light speed. Hey, since we're exes, don't you think we have a little in common so we can get Angry Birds back? I guess. Okay, this is kind of awkward, but let's just go. Okay. I don't really want to hold hands with my ex, but whatever. Oh! Whoa, lemonade stand!
Oh, crap.
Ah!
You guys fail a Star Launch.
Oh, hi, Mario. High five.
How have you been, bro?
Good. So yeah,
Wait, where did
how
Peach,
is
where did
it?
Peach land anyway?
I don't know. Go get her.
There she is in the lava. Oh well. She's gonna come out in a bubble somehow anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa! What the heck? Ah! Run! She's a molten lava is gonna hit us. Run!
She's in a bubble. That's how we all respawn. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Don't. Bother.
Okay.
Don't
So,
bother.
hi Yoshi.
Hello. How have you been?
So are you
I'm
are you
dead.
not
Okay,
crazy
shut up.
anymore? Okay, good. Where's Toad?